I saw a dope ass quote. It was, oh my God, this is the dopest quote of all time. Because I usually do my shit super quick. I usually do my shit in like 30, 45 minutes. And you'll have like everything you need within that time. I'll do it in like 30, 45 minutes. If I'm obviously not on bottle 3. And the quote said, because people come to me, and I'm sorry, I'm jumping. But if people come to me and be like, bro, just do the thing real quick. You super fast with this shit. You 30 minutes, 30, 45 minutes, you'll be in and out. Blah, 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 blah. That's cool. Just do it real quick. 30, 45 minutes of your time, bro. Okay. The quote said, if I know how to do something in 30 minutes, that's because I spent 15 years learning how to get that fast at it. So I'm not charging you for the 30 minutes. I'm charging you for the 15 years. That was the fucking craziest, the shit I've been trying to say for the longest. It was the shit. You saw that shit, Kimpa? Bro, it's the shit that I've been trying to say to people. I don't give a fuck how fast I can do it. You know how long it took me to learn how to do it that fast? I'm charging you for that. Mm-hmm. I'm not charging you for the 30 minutes. I'm not charging you for the 45 minutes. I'm charging you for the 15 years.
Quality.
It took me a long time to figure out how to do shit that fast.
Maybe just don't tell them you're doing it that fast.
They know I'm doing it that fast because they get it back that same night. I get that. But if it was somebody else that didn't put in the time I put in, you wouldn't get it back that fast. You're paying for convenience. Which is why shit sometimes costs more in the store than it does on Amazon. It's gonna take longer to get to you on Amazon. It might be the wrong shit, but if you go to the store, it's gonna cost more. But guess what? You're about to get it right now, and you know exactly what it is.
What's good? It's Timeless Rock with TR Mentality, man. And before we get into the video, make sure y'all own your own shit. Now, in this clip, we got T-Pain talking about how quality work is expensive. And this clip is a perfect clip for all independent artists out there. We all know that when we independent artists and we just coming up, we just getting started in our career, we know that in the beginning, money is very limited. So you got to spend it in the right places, and you try to stretch every dollar you have as far as you could possibly stretch it. But on the flip side of that, we all want quality work. We all want the best quality artwork. We all want the best quality music video. We all want the best quality everything. And that's all cool. It's easy to go ahead and ask for that and want that because obviously you want that. But when it's time to pay for that quality, that's when a lot of people kind of stumble up and they kind of chill and they don't, they get a little hesitant. So when it comes down to that, you got to understand as an independent artist, when you paying for everything and somebody tells you they price, you got to understand that that price is that price and that it's quality and that a lot of people ain't got no room for negotiation when it comes to their price, especially if you want quality work and it's somebody that's been doing it for years and years. They not about to waste their time with somebody that don't want to pay their price when they could go to somebody else and get that same price paid. Like T-Pain said, he a guy that could knock out a verse in about 30, 45 minutes, and a lot of people think that his feature price is going to be based on that 30 or 45 minutes of work. But with all the years that he put into his craft that got him to go ahead and be able to make music in that little amount of time, that's what his feature price is based on. That's what you paying for because you're going to get it right back to you, but also it's going to be quality work. He made the example about when you buy stuff off Amazon versus going to the physical store. Now, you might be able to find better deals on certain products on Amazon, but that same product is going to take weeks to come to your house. Versus if you go to the store, you might find that same product that's a little more expensive than it was on Amazon, but at least you know that you're going home with it right now. You ain't got to worry about shipping costs. You ain't got to worry about it being the wrong product. You ain't got to worry about it being broken and then you got to ship it all the way back, so that takes even longer. You know that literally you're going to get it right now. So you go ahead and you paying for that convenience. One of the biggest things I see as independent artists when it comes to artwork, a lot of people don't want to pay a certain amount, and that's cool. It's a lot of graphic designers out there that you can go ahead and run through so many different people and find a price point that works for you. And there's a lot of people out there that do some good work for the lower price, but you can't expect it to be the same quality as the person with the higher price. There's always going to be somebody that's going to fit your budget. You just got to understand the trade-off of spending less money. And I always talk to y'all about all the great parts of being an independent artist, but one of the hardest parts for a lot of people is spending their own money. And for a lot of people, that's why they go ahead and sign record deals, because they know they're getting getting these advances, and it's gonna be money that they get up front and they gotta pay that money back, but it doesn't feel like their own money because they didn't have to actually go into their bank account at that moment, and whatever they had in there, they had to spend it. They literally just got a check up front, basically a loan against their future earnings, and they're able to spend the money that way. But hey man, with that being said, man, make sure y'all go ahead and comment down below your thoughts on this video and go ahead and add to the topic. And if you like this video, man, make sure you go ahead and hit like, and if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. And I'm out of here, man.
Time wasted, I admit it, I done put in overtime. Swear the best motivation is the gutter. I've been plotting millions way before we had each other. I know we was raised in the trenches. I was in the trenches and I'm never gonna forget it. I woke up in the Maybach grinning.